Okay, in this tutorial, we will be making some coffee stains using the node editor, or as it's called now, the shader editor. Okay. We have red plastic right now. Let's turn this to a white. And we will be placing the coffee stains on top of the surface here. We will also be making a second kind of coffee stain, which is like these drops. So yeah, let's start making these ones actually first. Let's start with a Voronoi texture, and let's set it to texture the object coordinate. That way it's evenly distributed. Okay, and we will get a color ramp to brighten up the edges, make them more crisp. And set this scale to something like 3. Okay, and we add another Voronoi texture. Set this one scale something like 30, and let's mix it together. And set it to burn. Okay. That looks pretty good. And let's add a nose texture right here to distort it a little bit. Set the scale to let's say 5 is pretty good. Another detail a little bit, and then let's mix it with the original coordinate, which is object. Let's do 20. That looks pretty good. And let's use a color ramp. And we will make the insides white. See, you can see here that it's darker on the edges, then it gets more translucent as it goes to the middle. So, but we're not completely transparent, so we'll add a like this. And let's turn on the detail a little bit. That's good. This is a great start, actually. Much better than the last recording. Okay, and the black. Make the rim a little bit larger. Okay, and then we will be adding a Musgrave texture. Setting the linearity up, dimension down, and detail up. And this is for the variation here. It's not flat like right here. We'll add the speckle effect. Okay. We'll mix this with a Voronoi, set really high, like 300. Mix it together. This is a combination I do quite frequently, actually. And then we will combine these together. And set to multiply. Let's actually distort the Voronoi a little bit with a noise texture. Set to 200. Mix this together, and we will set this to some factor. I'm not sure what yet. We have to wait for it to load. Let's do around here. Looks good, I think. Okay, and we would set this to let's try overlay. Let's make this a little lighter. That way it can come through on top of the black surface. Okay. That was good. That was great, actually. Now let's take away the stains outside of the splats by making MXRGB, and we will use a variation of this as the factor for this. This basically maps out what areas we want the stain to show up on and what areas we want the white to show up on, which is just the background. This is good. This is great. Just a color ramp to brighten up the center a little bit. I think that'd be good. Let's add some detail to the no texture again, actually. This is a great setup. Okay. And then we will let's test out the let's minimize the distortion of the noise. That's more circular now. That's good. Okay, and we will get color ramp. Make the coffee stains. Let's that down a little bit. Yeah, that's good. And that's good. This plugs into the base color. And then we will copy. As you know, we will copy on top of each other with a burn. Waiting for it to render out. Okay. That was great. Okay, and now we need to make this into a roughness map as well. Okay. Let's get color ramp. Plugs into the this is the MixRGB socket. Plug it into here, and we will probably switch these around. That way the cover stains are more rough and the surface of the object is more shiny. This is good. There we go. And maybe we want to try out a bump map. This is a test. This might be deleted right afterwards. But I think it might work out. Let's just see. Plug this into the normal. Invert it. That way it's coming out rather than in. Let's try to strength down a little lower. Inverted. Maybe it should be going in, because like when you have conversations on paper, it kind of seeps downward. Okay. Let's change the okay. Burn. There we go. Let's try another the noise textures influence. And how about we actually this is pretty good. I think I'll make the ring stains in a separate video, actually. This is good on its own. Okay, I think that's to do it for the video.